Is the Bajaj Allianz Life Guaranteed Wealth Goal Plan the right choice to meet your financial goals? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goal in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand what is this policy is about. So, this is a non-linked, non-participating individual life insurance savings product, and some of the key features of this policy are: you can enjoy life insurance coverage throughout the policy term, and you can also choose from 3 plan variants tailored to suit your financial requirements, and you can receive guaranteed benefits under this policy, and you can also avail tax benefit as per the prevailing tax laws. So these are some of the key benefits, and this policy has some benefits like maturity benefit, death benefit, and survival benefit, which differs based on the plan variant you have chosen. And if you want to know more about it in detail, you can definitely refer to the policy brochure. Now let's take a look at the advantages and disadvantages of investing in this policy. So the advantages are: you have the flexibility to receive income on a date of your choice, and you have the option to receive death benefit or maturity benefit as a lump sum or in installments, and you can also default your yearly income or death benefit installment frequency can be changed to other available frequencies, and you can enhance your coverage by adding riders to the base policy, and you can modify the premium payment frequency and income payout frequency at your own convenience. And another advantage is that you can access a policy loan of up to 80% of the surrender value. So these are all some of the advantages of investing in this plan. Now the disadvantages are: the income benefit is typically used for discretionary expenses, and there is no substantial maturity benefit. Only the premium paid are returned at maturity. So while the benefits are guaranteed, the returns are relatively low, and the sum assured may not be sufficient enough to meet your financial needs. So these are all some of the drawbacks that you need to carefully consider before deciding to invest in it. Now, as we have a basic understanding of this plan, let us now assess the potential returns from this plan by analyzing the IRR, that is the internal rate of this policy, using a benefit illustration from the policy brochure to assess the cash flow pattern and its value, and just at the end of the day how much return we will be getting from this policy to make a better informed decision. Now just for example purpose, assume that a 30-year-old male opts for this policy under the wealth creation variant. He selects a sum assured of 10 lakhs with a policy term of 15 years and a premium paying term of 12 years, paying an annual premium of 1 lakh. So in the wealth creation variant, the benefits are received as a lump sum at the end of the policy term. So at maturity, he receives 19 lakh 61,092 rupees, which includes your accrued guaranteed additions, which is for 9 lakh 4,000, and also guaranteed maturity benefit, which is for 10 lakh 57,092 rupees. So the internal rate of return IRR for this cash flow is calculated at 5.14% as per the policy's maturity calculator. So this variant does not provide you regular income, which is a survival benefit. However, the IRR is too low. Even the lump sum maturity benefit is unattractive for a long-term investor. So it indicates that the IRR for other plan variants which offer additional cash flow flexibility would be even lower. So given the low return, this policy is not an appealing option to achieving your long-term financial goals. Now, as we know that this policy is not giving us a desirable outcome, what we are going to do is, to ensure an effective comparison, we are going to use the metric from this policy in another example. Like we are going to conduct a comparative analysis now, where we are going to compare the policy returns here with other investment options by using an alternative investment approach. So in this approach, we are going to separate the investment and insurance component instead of investing in an insurance investment policy. So let us assume that for example purpose, that a pure term life insurance policy with a sum assured of 11 lakh cost an annual premium of 5,800 with a premium paying term of 10 years and a policy term of 15 years. This leaves us with 94,200 rupees annually for investment during the first 10 years. In the next 2 years, as the premium paying term for the plan in the earlier example is 12 years, the entire 1 lakh is now available for investment. So investment can be chosen based on your risk profile. If you're a high risk investor, you can opt for equity instrument, while if you're a low risk investor, you may prefer debt instrument. So for this comparison, we have considered PPF, Public Provident Fund, for debt option, and also ELSS, Equity Linked Savings Scheme, for equity investment. So under PPF plus term insurance combination, you can see that after making necessary adjustment for the minimum required contribution of 500 rupees annually, the final maturity value here is 22.45 lakhs, yielding you an IRR of 6.55%. And under the ELSS plus term insurance combination, the accumulated corpus grows to 35.96 lakhs. So after accounting for capital gains tax, the post-tax value is 33.05 lakhs, resulting in a post-tax IRR of 10.56%. This alternative approach not only provides you with higher return but also offers greater flexibility to adjust withdrawal based on your financial needs. So in contrast, this policy falls short in both returns and withdrawal flexibility, making it less effective for long-term wealth accumulation or desired cash flow. So however, the plan offers relatively low return, making it less appealing as an investment option. Additionally, the sum assured provided in this policy is also insufficient to adequately protect your family's financial needs in case of unforeseen events. So neither the insurance component nor the investment component of this plan provides significant benefit to investor, which makes it unsuitable for inclusion in your investment portfolio, and it also has a high agent commission. So for regular income needs, consider building a corpus through investment products aligned with your risk tolerance. This strategy provides you with better liquidity and higher return. So alongside your investment strategy, ensure you also have adequate life insurance coverage with the help of a pure term policy, where you can get it even for a low affordable premium for a higher coverage to safeguard your family's financial future. So now, what is the final verdict on our analysis on the Bajaj Allianz Life Guaranteed Wealth Growth Plan? Is it worth investing in the long term or not? As you can see, this plan is designed to provide you with regular income and maturity benefit to address your financial needs with the flexibility to select a plan variant based on your desired cash flow. So however, the plan offers relatively low return, making it less appealing as an investment option. Additionally, the sum assured provided in this policy is also insufficient to adequately protect your family's financial needs in case of unforeseen events. So neither the insurance component nor the investment component of this plan provides significant benefit to investor, which makes it unsuitable for inclusion in your investment portfolio, and it also has a high agent commission. So for regular income needs, consider building a corpus through investment products aligned with your risk tolerance. This strategy provides you with better liquidity and higher return. So alongside your investment strategy, ensure you also have adequate life insurance coverage with the help of a pure term policy, where you can get it even for a low affordable premium for a higher coverage to safeguard your family's financial future.
If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.